Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. Today I'm doing a layout for Collection Obsession, and it's my first layout using the Coastal Bliss Collection from Uniquely Creative. I will have linked below a unboxing video of when I received this collection so you can see everything that's in it. But it's a beautiful coastal beachy vibe collection, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, I'm using this for my first layout today. I'll be back at the end to have a little chat, so enjoy. Okay, there is my finished page. I wanted to keep it quite simple and I didn't want to cover up too much of the pattern that was already on the paper, but I think that because it adds a lot to the design, like I didn't really need to add much for a completed page. Just a few of the die cuts, and I didn't dimensionalize anything, it's all glued flat. And then my heading is the title, which is a rub-on, and I rubbed that straight onto the photo and it worked really well. So there's lots more rub-ons in this pack. There's this one sheet, but there's a lot on this sheet because they're quite big elements, so I look forward to using them because they're really easy to use, good quality. Yeah, so and at the end I just added some Nuvo jewel drops in the colour Iceberg Blue. I wasn't sure which ones I was going to use. I have the white, Simply White crystal drops, as well as the, what are these? Silver lining. But when I tested them on the scrap paper, I thought I really liked the blue ones because they look like that sea glass effect. So I think they're really pretty. So anyway, there is my completed layout. And if you have liked this video and this layout, please, I'd really like it if you hit that like button so that I know you enjoyed it. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.